Hey guys, today we are gonna make a scratch project on a maze game tutorial. So by not wasting any more time, let's start. So this is the sprite you can make, or you can upload that sprite, or you could choose a sprite from the sprite library. So I've named this sprite as player. Now the second sprite would be our maze. So let's upload it. And another thing, I will share the maze picture in the comments. Okay, so this is our maze. Let's shrink it so that it fits. Just one more. Okay, so this is okay. So I think we have to shrink our player. So let's shrink it more. Okay, this is okay. Let's put it just. Let's first remove it and make it here. Okay, now let's start the script of the player. First of all, you have to get the event when flag clicked. Then go to the controls tab and get a forever block. And then get if then. And then you have to go to sensing and get a key space pressed. And then you can remove space and keep it as left arrow. And then you have to go to motion and get change x by 10. And then x by 10, let's change the 10 to 2. So in left arrow, we have to get a negative number. So we have to write -2. Let's duplicate this and this. Let's change this to right arrow and then change x by 2. Let's duplicate this 2 times. Okay, now let's change the key left arrow pressed to key down arrow pressed. Now what do we have to do is we have to remove change x by 2 to change y by 10. Now you have to remove the 10 by 2. So in this also you have to get a negative number for down arrow. So let's do -2. Then let's remove this change x by and get a change y by. So that is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. So this was our movement. Let's try it out. Okay, it's perfect. Let's move on. One more thing. In the player sprite, you have to go to X, and I'll tell you what will happen. What will happen is whenever it touches the wall, which we will code, whenever it will touch the wall, it will respawn at the same place. Now let's rename this maze sprite as maze. Now let's go to its coding and get when flag clicked. Then, oh sorry, we don't have to do it on the maze, we have to do it on player. So let's get if and put it at the bottom, and let's get the sensing and get touching color. Now we have to press on this color. Now you have to click on this line. So what will it do is it will take the color of that line. Now you have to go to looks and take the say hello for 2 seconds. Change the hello to click on click on the green flag button. Click on the green flag button to respawn. we could change it. Click on the green flag button to restart. Okay. Now you go to the controls and take stop all. Now this code will do is that whenever it touches the line of the maze, it will say click on the green flag button to restart. Then you have to click on the green flag button, and then you cannot do any movement because I've put a stop all. So all the script will stop of this. Okay, now let's move ahead and put a goal. Let's increase it by this much, I think. Okay, this will be perfect. Let's get a dark red and mark it as X. Wait. Okay, this will be fine. Let's select this thing. Okay, this much will be good. Now let's get this cross just right. Wait, what happened? Just right here. Okay, this will be good. Now let's rename this as goal. Okay. Now let's go to the scripts. No, on the player scripts I meant. And then let's get touching. Okay, let's get an if again. Let's get an if again. And touching color. Wait, touching. We get this touching mouse pointer and change the mouse pointer to goal. And then you can go to looks and say hello for 2 seconds. And change the hello to U1. Okay, what happened? Yeah, U1. U1. Okay, now what do we have to do next is that some player can uh, cheat here by going from here. So for that I have a code. So you have to click on the paint new sprite and you have to select the one. So that when we put it just right here, they won't understand if there's a block. Let's make a big one. Put it just right here. Okay. Now let's go to its script. When flag flipped, always, forever one. Then if then sensing, and let's get touching player and stop all, or say let's take a say hello and change the hello to you are cheating. Okay, now we'll get a new sprite and we'll have the same one again and put this just right here. And then what can we do is let's go to the sprite one script and let's drag this code just right in the sprite 2. Now it will go. It disappeared. Let's do it again. If then forever touching mouse pointer, then change the mouse pointer to player, say hello for 2 seconds and get this offer. You were cheating. Now let's go to events and do it again. The same thing. If then sensing, touching, mouse pointer, change the mouse pointer to player. Let's go to looks, see hello for 2 seconds, change the hello to you cheated. Okay, so let's test this out. 1 second. I think I've done something wrong. Hmm. Wait a second. Now let's go. Okay, fitting color. So let's put this. Click on the green flag button to restart. Let's restart this. Click on the green flag button to restart. Hmm. Let's see the. Oh, there's no up arrow. I think it's. Oh, I made a mistake. This once. Now it will work. Uh, okay, so I think it will work perfectly. And when I go here, it will say you won. Thank you for watching. You can test this out the maze and share this to everyone you like. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and comment.